Are we dreaming? 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 Are we dreaming?
You got hit where?
Right here.
Right in the chest? Oh my goodness. Nothing. I was videoing Seth and I slowly like went up and he was eating this turnip greens. So he was like,
Are we dreaming?
Oh, it is?
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
here, Aubrey. Come here,
It's too big.
No, it's not.
I'm the giver.
Say hi.
Cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
It is Thursday, and the kids are off with our old neighbor playing, and so me and Autumn decided to stop at my all-time favorite store, Costco. We're so excited. Yeah, we'll be videoing in Costco. Costco, I have missed you.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
Homework, son. You push that cart.
I'll push it.
You push it.
I'll push it.
Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit.
I could go back to the gym, man. I won't let you down. Red, white, and beer.
That is cute.
Red, white, and beer. Beer. I can't handle it. I can't handle it.
You're freaking me out, man. You're freaking me out. Oh, wait, hang up. Hold up. Hold it. Are you guys gonna see this?
USA
Do you see
all day. Look at mine. USA all day.
I like that. And it's got the peekaboo shoulder.
That I like. That's new.
When you freak out in Target. Mug Life. I really like this red one with the star and stripe on it. That's cute. Oh, I do like this. This is dangerous. Do you see the facial? Hang on.
Man, it's hard whenever you're poor.
Y'all, she's still over here.
It's the flag, but then whenever you see it's the flag.
It's mermaid sequence.
USA.
She's devastated.
You just pried me away from my homeland. You feel
Devastated.
good now?
No? Devastated.
I wish I was I wish I had money. I wish I had enough money to just buy Target so we could have all these clothes. I'm still hyperventilating from saying that. Shoes. Not red, white, and blue.
Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
Are we gonna get arrested for this?
No.
Not my job.
How was that, Aubrey?
Not good.
Not good. I think it was beautiful.
I like the other one. What's more?
What's up,
It's gotta
Adam?
be during daylight.
So small.
We have had sushi today and Mexican and went to Goodwill.
Colorful stuff.
What else did we do?
Clean.
I cleaned the what do you call this, vacation house?
We cleaned our bedroom. Did laundry. It was fun. Watched a movie.
You watched a movie. I
Watched Sing.
got to take a shower.
A little stronger now.
Caution. Emits showers
Get
of
'em, Aubrey.
sparks.
I got him.
You got him? You got it on him?
No.
Good job. High five. That way you have no boyfriend.
Autumn should have a boyfriend with the length of her nail.
Is he gonna be next?
I'm Jake. I like fireworks.
Oh, Mr. Pyro.
Oh. Emits showers of sparks, shoots flaming balls.
Find me one that tells us.
Shoots flaming
You're gonna hold off on that one?
balls. I didn't know how distracting it was.
A little bit.
Come down, come right back up. Look, sad ears. Oh, no, they're good. I am getting this. This is going in my car. Like, I'm gonna start crying.
That looks really good white like that.
Yes.
That's my
The
comforter.
white?
No, that's the comforter I have. I like the blue one too.
Yeah.
This chick.
Is that Lily?
And no, we don't. Yeah, look. This chick. We don't live in Target, I promise. Is this my house service too? Oh, of course.
I love Lily.
So Tuesday, we ate beignets and went and played with friends. That was Monday. Tuesday, we went to Pensacola and had Lambert's. Wednesday was America's birthday. We watched fireworks on the Mississippi River for the third year in a row. Your second year. That was a pretty good one. I had fun watching fireworks. And then Thursday, the kids went and played with Sarah, our neighbor, our old neighbor. And me and Autumn got to go to Costco, Target, and Five Below and eat lunch at Freddy's. And then Friday, oh, we went somewhere Friday. Oh, we went to Zachary. We went to Goodwill. We 9 o'clock at night.
Thump, 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 thump.
This turd, this little bear scat right here, decides to make its way into my tire. So, by the time my father-in-law got to us,
It was 5 hours.
we should have already been home and sleep. Anyway, but our trip was pretty good. Minus to West Monroe and went to the duck commander, buck commander. We're gonna insert picture here. And
It was amazing. We got there and we went to take our picture, and Sissy got her tripod out, her big one. And this kid, or I don't know, he's probably Sissy's age, maybe a little younger. And he came out and he had a beard, and I was like, he probably worked there because, you know, I feel like I can get one.
Beard.
Yeah, I can go buy one. That's what you have to do to work there. You have to have a beard. And it's kind of awkward.
Yep, tripod and all. And these other kids from Florida came.
Yeah, and they were like us.
Snap, picture.
They didn't get out and take a picture, but we had to.
It's a requirement.
There were like signs everywhere. And you like tour it.
You can tour it.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have a different, like, facility for, you know, actual homemaking. And that's just like the film part.
Well, that's where they test them out. And the shipping, the warehouse is what they called it. But they could have more than one warehouse.
True, because that wasn't very big.
And I feel like they're a pretty big company now.